Welcome to Prabhu K.B's YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology product and solutions, Vetri, and through our innovative investment strategies, namely SOFAR and SONIFAR, which are very powerful strategies. In every video, we will be discussing what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why and when it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, subscribe and click the bell icon, and also encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. I also request you to visit my website, the https www.fibocan.com. Today, January 22, Saturday, January 22, 2022 Saturday. In this video, we will be discussing about the global market performance for the week of January 17 to 21, that is Monday to Friday. Nifty Dow Jones fell by 4.6%, closing at 34,265. S&P fell 5.7% and closed at 4397, while Nasdaq fell at 7.5, closing at 14,893. FTSE on the other hand fell just 0.6% and closed at 7494. Last week, that is on January 15th, the kind of candle that it has formed in the daily, particularly in S&P and Nasdaq, one got a feeling that it is going to be a reversal because on the daily chart it was above the middle band and the exponential moving average. Hence, we were under the impression, and also the 60-minute and 5-hour showed good reversal. However, in fact, in our video on January 15th, we had stated that the reversal is going to happen and the market is going to go up. However, on Monday being a holiday in US market, when it opened Tuesday, it opened gap down. Not only gap down, it opened below the previous week's open. The previous week, that is the week ending 14th was a green candle or a doji kind of a candle it formed, meaning the opening was lower than the closing. But last week, in this week, the opening itself was lower than the previous week opening, which means it is a kicker candle, which is a strong reversal candle. Smart investors, smart traders will immediately exit their position if they would have gone long. Hence, technical analysis is the ultimate. One has to have a good understanding of technical analysis for having entering and exiting at the right time. Even if a trade is wrongly entered, that's fine. Everybody is human beings. People make mistakes. Market is supreme. However, a smart trader knows how quickly to exit with minimum loss. Now, in spite of such a fall, this week, as I mentioned, Dow fell 4.4%, while S&P fell 5.5%, and Nasdaq had a big jump of 7.5%. In spite of such a big fall, I am not seeing any reversal happening, neither in the daily chart nor in the 60-minute or 5-hour candle. Hence, further downside is possible. In fact, next week it can form a small candle or a doji star, which means the week after there will be a big fall. Hence, investors have to be very cautious, and global market is the mother market is in a turmoil, which will have repercussions in global markets, including our markets. If FTSE did nothing, it formed a doji star kind of a thing. However, it formed the first reversal in the weekly chart, which means it has chance of further going down. Reversal has happened. CBOE VIX, Global Volatility Index, it was at 28%. It is the volatility is medium to high. It is going up to a high volatility. What does it indicate? From March 2020, when the volatility was high in Indian VIX as well as the global COE, to now, it was a one-way direction. Bulls were in absolute control. Now, bulls and bears are fighting out furiously. A tough fight is happening between bulls and bears. Bulls are fighting a losing battle. This is another indicator that volatility has increased, which means market is going to be volatile and it will fall further. Hence, investors have to be cautious. Now we'll go to USD INR. USD INR closed at 74.83. In fact, we expect it to go sideways. We told that 73.77 is going to be the support, 90 is going to be the support. It touched 73.77 on January 12th, and from there it moved up. So it is going to go sideways and form doji. Dollar index, it closed at 95.636. Till last week it was going up and we said limited downside. That is what precisely happened. It is more or less at these levels it is going to close. US 10-year treasury yield at 1.770. It was nicely riding along the upper band, but in this week it attempted to go above, break past the upper band, but could not do, hence formed a shooting star, which is kind of a first reversal. Hence one has to be cautious with, there will be some limited downside in US treasury. However, it will not close below 1.693 for the month of January. Brent and Nymex. Brent closed at 87.89, Nymex at 84.84. This is two items which are very strongly moving up in all the time frames, be it daily, weekly or monthly, and in fact it is nicely riding along the upper band, moving along the upper band in the daily, and about to touch the upper band in the weekly, and moving closer to the upper band in the monthly. Hence all these things indicate, last week we mentioned that it will touch 100 shortly. That is very much a possibility. Hence investors have to be cautious. So as I stated, tomorrow we'll be publishing a video where we'll be putting about stocks one has to consider, monitor, avoid and ignore. With this we end this video. Thank you very much. Disclaimer, as always, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you.